All right, everyone, we know during the past week, emergency responders have been so busy dealing with one flooding emergency after another after another.
On the front lines here in Harris County has been our Sheriff Ed Gonzalez and the men and women under his command. The shifts have been long and they've had little sleep because their oath to protect and to serve is one they take seriously.
And joining us now live on the phone, we have Harris County Sheriff Ed Gonzalez, who I know you probably had very little sleep over the past week or so, but Sheriff, thank you so much. You're a friend to the show. We appreciate all that you do, but let's talk about these floods. We have been so impressed by not only the amount of time you've spent out there personally, but your entire team. So tell us why you decided to be on the front lines of all of this to help so many people who were in need this past week.
Well, good morning. Thanks for having me. Listen, it's a privilege to be able to serve, and it's an honor to be out on the front lines with the men and women that are out there every day, putting their lives on the line in protection of others. For me, I think it's always critically important to really see firsthand our operational needs, what we may need at any given moment, and make sure that I'm there to simply assist and support our team to get the necessary resources they need. As well as pre-planning for the next one. We are always preparing for worst-case scenarios, and there's relentless preparation. We do have hurricane season that's going to rapidly be upon us, so we always want to see how our equipment's holding up. We learned a lot during Hurricane Harvey. We're able to deploy some of the newer supplies that we have, and everything seemed to work as well as it could. So very proud of everyone, all the first responders in our community.
Mm-hmm. All right, and Sheriff, I don't know if you can see it, but we've been playing pictures of you and the men and women under your command that work alongside you. What are you hearing from them, and how are you keeping them motivated?
Well, they're incredibly proud. They're very grateful to be able to serve our community. Oftentimes it can be a thankless job, but hearing so many people just happy that we were there, they were able to make the best decisions for themselves, and we were able to help them facilitate if they need to evacuate. They were just extremely happy, and our team has been very happy to see the coverage and support